Okay, mwenna abalabe Kachumbali TV atusazeewo nga mumanyi nti nno kigambibwa nti omukulu Ronald MAYINJA yavudde mu ggwanga n'abeera ng'agenda mu America. Tusazeewo tugendeko mu maka ge atulabe embeera eri etya. Eno emmotoka gye mulaba y'abamu ku bapangisa abazze okulaba ennyumba eno oba bagipangisa, naye nga kigambibwa nti olwedde waliwo Munigeria eyagifunyeeko. Tubaddeko muno tusanga ng'ennyumba eri mu renovation, ekituufu kiri nti MAYINJA taliimu era bali mu kugiddaabiriza yonna. Ebifaananyi ebigendo bye mulaba ebiri kungulu ako y'ennyumba engeri bwefaananamu n'engeri bali mu kugiddaabirizaamukko. So embeera bwetyo bweri naye nga ye MAYINJA tali mu ggwanga. Twogeddeko ne ku landiroodi we ne Neighbour n'agamba ekitufu taliimu, yafulumya eggwanga. Ne bakeyateeka bali mu kugiddaabiriza nabo bakikatizza nti nno taliimu era tusanze nga bali mu kugirongoosa bulongoosa nga bwe mulaba ebifaananyi bwe biri awo ku screen. So kitegeeza ki? Kitegeeza nti nno omukulu Ronald MAYINJA bye twayogerako naye bayiso gye nabalazeeko ng'agamba nti nno tagenda fuluma mwali, agenda jasiba mukyala we. Ekituufu kiri kikonfirmed nti nno taliimu, yagenze. Kuba tasobola beera ng'ogenda laba ku mukyala wo mu America ate ennyumba ebintu byonna n'obijjamu bali mu girongoosa. So embeera bwetyo bweri, naye muganda waffe tumwagaliza bisima gye yalaze anabisinga. So kambawe embeera mulabe nga bweri mu maka ga Ronald MAYINJA.
Okay,
How are you, sir?
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
You are fine. What's your name?
I'm Andrew.
Hey, my name is
Yeah.
Hey, how is Munyonyo?
Munyanya is okay.
You've been a neighbor to Ronald MAYINJA for how long?
Like for since November last year.
So when did you last see him here?
I last saw him on today's Thursday.
Yeah.
I last saw him on Monday.
On Monday.
Yeah.
Monday morning.
Monday morning.
Doing what?
When he was packing, at first he packed for the two children, the daughter and the son.
Okay.
Those ones, I understand they went to UK, where their mother is.
They went before Monday. They went early or no?
They went very early in the morning on Monday.
Okay.
So now, this man, MAYINJA, left at around 11 and went. But one of his people there, one of those workers, when I tried to inquire from them, they told me that man went to USA.
Okay. So they are renovating the house.
They are renovating the house. There's a Nigerian man who has rented like for 6 years.
Hey, how did you get this information?
He has been with us looking for the tenant, but he was telling us he wants somebody who can at least give him like for 1 full year. But now, fortunately, he got somebody who gave him 6 years.
6 years.
And he was very happy for that, and he disappeared.
So you think he's going to be in the USA for 6 years?
I think so. Because the rumors coming is that this man was just somebody was demanding him, and so he tried to look for the money to pay back what that person was demanding, and he couldn't get it. So when he got this man, I think he said, no, let me go and
Start a new life.
Start a new life in US.
Aren't you going to miss him?
Very much.
As a neighbor.
He's not a bad neighbor. I can say he's not a bad neighbor. He has been so social to me, or to the neighbors, because in most cases he comes out and we chat. Yeah.
Okay. So you're going to miss him, miss his music?
Like his music in particular. We are going to miss him, the Kadongo Kamu guys are going to miss him so much. And I'm among the guys who like Kadongo Kamu.
Have you ever entered his room, his house?
Have ever entered?
The house is too big.
Too big. Too big.
His wife?
No, with that one I cannot lie you, because I came here, I got him when he was not having when he was just alone with his children.
Hey, the wife wasn't there.
Somebody told me that the wife left like 2 years ago. 2 years ago.
Okay.
Mm.
So he has been just taking care of the kids.
The kids, yeah. He was having the maid and then the kids.
Okay. So what message do you have for him?
Anyway, I wish him success in wherever he has gone. Let God bless him, because actually he should not forget his talent of the music. No?
Okay.
Yeah. Very miserable. But you know, sometimes when he's also inside there, like alone, he comes out and we have a conversation. But now you can see how I'm alone, you know.
So did he tell you about that date he had?
No, somebody just this morning somebody gave me that, just part of that. Like the person was trying to bring rumors to me, or that is what they are getting from social media. You know, this is what is coming from the social media. That actually he had dates.
He had dates. You knew it.
No, this person told me, but me, I know nothing about those dates.
But you've been seeing him the way you've been seeing him.
Yeah, actually, the way he was very, you know, having that hard life. The life was very hard to him. For the last, let me say, 7 months that I've been with him, the life was very, very hard. Very hard.
In which way?
Financially was facing that financial problem. Yeah.
But he has now got the money. 6 years.
Yeah. So he's now
enjoying life.
He has gone to enjoy life.
So you're happy for him?
I don't know, you know, the man's downfall is not the end of him. No? Yeah.
So you're waiting for him after 6 years when he comes back?
I don't think whether he's going to stay there for 6 years, I can't tell. Because, you know, he has gone, he didn't leave me with any message. But I know sometimes he will be coming back. Home is home.
So when he was going, he didn't tell you?
I was, you know, I was busy inside. I was cleaning, doing some few small work inside. But I only saw him from up. When actually there's a small drone that came and picked him with these things.
Okay.
In the morning, there was a big lorry that came in the morning, loaded easy things, and went and took the things. Came back and organized himself and also went.
With the drone? Okay, we wish him success.
That is it.